Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your POCO M8 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is remove the screen protector or a case, and let me explain why. Basically, whenever your case is covering even a tiny part of the screen and it's not stopping at the bezels, so the dark points right here on the edges, then it can cause your screen to have ghost touches. And ghost touches, what are they exactly? Something just clicks on your screen, sometimes or just all the time, depending on what type of ghost touch that is. And for the screen protector, if it's misaligned, so it's, let's say, covering a tiny part of the phone and not the entire screen, so it's going off center, then it can also cause the ghost touches. So if that's the case for it, then make sure to remove it. Now, what we want to do is we want to take care of our screen, so we want to clean it. So I recommend using a microfiber cloth for it. I got it right here. Now I'm going to give it a few swipes. So 3 swipes is enough to clean your screen and keep it shiny. And after cleaning, what you guys want to do is to restart your phone to refresh the entire system. So hold the power button and the volume up button. Now scroll down to reboot and to let go. Now your phone will restart. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now after the restart, what you guys want to do is, let me quickly enter my password. As a last resort, update your software to fix any touch bugs. So go to the settings, and right here in the settings, wait for the phone to load. Let's click about phone, and here go click HyperOS. Now it's checking automatically, you need Wi-Fi for it. I have no updates available, but if you do, then I recommend you guys updating it. They should be right here where the Xiaomi community button is located. So it should say download and install right here. And that's how you guys can easily update it. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.